Okay, very quick video on benchmarking, personality benchmarking. This is something that enables you, if you know what you're looking for, then it's an awful lot easier to know it when you see it. Now the trouble is that it's very difficult in terms of human personality to know what it is you're looking for, so even when a candidate sends you in their CV or walks into an interview, you still really don't know if what you're looking at is what you're looking for. And that's the whole process, I suppose, of recruitment. But if we can find some tools to make that easier and more reliable for us, then we should. And personality benchmarking, the PeopleMaps way, is a breakthrough. It's absolutely unique to PeopleMaps and allows you to process thousands of candidates very quickly to get to that point. Let me show you very quickly how it works. Everybody that completes the questionnaire comes to this page. This is your control room. And beside their name, you have this icon here. This is the personality quadrant icon. And what it does is it shows us here that Sujit personality terms belongs to the northeast quadrant. Now there are more than one personality type, there is more than one personality type in the northeast quadrant, but for purposes of communication and simplification, then we use this icon to help you group people into at least a quadrant. PeopleMaps system resolves to an awful lot more than the 4 quadrants. So now we know who Sujit is in general terms as regards which quadrant he belongs to. If we have a benchmark and we know that the people that we feel will work out best for us belong in the northeast, then we can prioritize and sort our list accordingly. So we can actually click on here and sort the list so that it displays all the people in that sector, in this case the northeast. To create a benchmark is really simple too, and that again is unique to PeopleMaps. 2 ways of doing it. You can historically model, look at existing employees that have been there for a while, that work out, that delight you every day, get them all to do the questionnaire, and remember the questionnaires are free, and if you like what you see and there's a commonality, then you now have a benchmark. It stands to common sense that a new person coming into the similar job role would work out best if they were similar to the people who are existing and working out best. An alternative, if you have no historicals to model, then you can create a new one from scratch, and we give you a tool to let you do this. And it's very simple. You click on Admin and Setup, scroll down, benchmark your candidates, we'll click on that, and what we do is we ask you this questionnaire. Firstly we need to create a new benchmark. And what we do here is we ask a forced choice questionnaire which helps you verbalize what it is you're looking for in terms of personality for this specific job role. There's a dozen questions, they ask you most, they ask you least, and they force you to choose what's important. At the end of that, you then save that, and that's, you give it a name, and that's, you got your benchmark. Now you can go back to your original list and you know what you're looking for. You know which quadrant your benchmark is, and therefore you're looking for candidates whose personality is in the same quadrant as your benchmark. It's very simple, very powerful, and allows you to process thousands of candidates very quickly.